In this video, I will walk you through step by step on how to use Logo Design Maker, a fantastic logo design app on Android, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to use Logo Design Maker, an Android app that you can use to create a fantastic and professional logo all for free. The very first thing you need to do, if you don't have the app installed on your phone, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store right here. So I'm going to click on my Play Store. Then on getting to your Play Store, you need to make use of search app right here and type in Logo Maker. Then click on search. So you are going to be presented with a lot of variety right here. So the right one you need to download and install is this one right here. So I'm going to click on that. Then it take you to this particular page. So if you don't have this particular app download and install already, what you need to do is to click on download and is to click on install right here. But for the file that I have already downloaded and installed it, that is why you see this open. Okay, now this app here has been downloaded. About 10 million people has successfully downloaded this particular app, and then this app here allow you to create a professional logo design and different types of graphic design using just your mobile phone. You can see the interface right here in the Play Store. Okay, you can simply scroll down and see the review of people that have been using this app so far. All right, so after you have the successful download and install the app, next thing you want to do is to click on open. So let's launch the app and see how we can use the app to create different professional logo design. So this is the app interface, as you can see right here. Okay, now on this app right here, you have templates right here, you have my projects, you have set sizes, you have my logos, you have logo templates. Then if you scroll down, you see logo by profession, such as photography logo, food logo, fashion and beauty logo. You can begin to scroll down and see mascot logo right here, mascot logo, then nature logo, such as leaf and etc. You can scroll down and see more and more as far as logo by profession is concerned. So we have medical and pharmaceutical right here, medical and pharmaceutical section, education, then companies, then business and consulting, education, business and consulting right here, education, communication, okay, communication, music, arts, fitness. There are a lot of logo templates right here that what you need is to just pick a template, then you follow it up, change the color, change the text, then you are going to be fine. So you can see there are thousands of templates right here in whatever category of business you might find yourself. This app here is a very unique app and a professional logo design app. Okay, now when you are working on a logo design, you are going to have your logo design file right here in this particular section. If you click on here, you will see my logo. So you can see the logo I'm working on right here. So coffee shop. Okay, so if you want to create a custom logo, just click on this particular create logo right here. So let's simply go back, and then right here we have set sizes. So you can click on that section. So if I click on this section here, this allow you to choose different formats of social media template, like Facebook cover, Facebook post, Instagram TV cover, Instagram post, then Instagram story, Pinterest graphic, Snapchat square graphic, thumbnail graphic, etc. You can simply scroll down and see blog banner templates that you can simply pick on any one of them, and then you start creating a unique design. So this is for advertising section. You can begin to scroll up and down, left and right, then you'll be able to choose any template. So if you want to choose for a Facebook post, simply click on here, and you start working around with the design, such as you can click on here to work on the background, you click on here to import the art, text, drawing, and you import your image from your phone gallery. So it's as simple as that. So let's simply go back home page of the logo design, logo maker app on Android. All right, so right here we can simply work on a particular template as an example on this particular logo design app. Okay, let's for instance we want to design a logo for a photography business. What we need to do is to just simply click on see all, so we can pick a ready-made template. Then we'll be able to see more stuff about photography business. So we can scroll down and see more and more. Like for instance, take a look at this one right here. I really love this one right here. So if we want something like this, what we need to do is to simply click on the template. Then it's going to load up to workflow area. Okay, simple as that. Now when it's open up into the workspace, we can simply begin to edit and change the color I like. So for instance, if we want to change the company name, we just click on company. When we click on the text, then we can simply click on edit right here. So we want to edit the template, so we can put our company name here, 5-star. So we can click on edit. So we have it this way. We can increase the font size. So we can click on here to enlarge the size. So the more we drag, the more the size increase. So we can adjust the company name. Then we can simply change the font style. So for us to do that, we just need to click on fonts right here. Then from here, we can begin to play around with different fonts available. All fonts here are free fonts. So we can start to see which one is more perfect. Okay, I love this one right here. So the next thing we want to do is to click on the name right here. Then what we want to do here, before we can change the font style, we need to edit. So for us to do that, we need to click on controls right here. So it takes us back to the control panel. Then from control panel, we click on edit. So edit here, we can simply put this photography or 5-star studio. Then we make sure we click on edit. We click on edit right here. Boom, we have it that way. So we can click on here to increase the size, or we decrease the size. So we have to perfect it this way, and we make it to align to the company name from the top. We can simply reduce the size more and more. So we can put it left side. So we can simply use this particular alignment here to position the text if we are not really sure. So if we are not really sure of our alignment, so it take effect, or better still, we simply drag with our hand and it probably align in a proper way. Then we can simply change the font style. We just click on here to work on the font style. So that's something like this. I think I love this. So we can simply place the studio right here. Then we can work on the color. So right here we click on color. So we can change the color to gray. That's color. So if you made any mistake, just simply click on here to go back to the previous. Go back. So we can simply choose color from here. So these are different color that we can just simply work on. So I think I'm satisfied with this color, or better still, I use this color. Then we can work on the shape. Okay, starting from color right here, we have by default there is black color there. So I can simply change to something like this or something like this, so it be in line with the studio color. So we can simply scroll down and choose. Alternatively, we can use something like this, but I prefer everything to be in line with the logo slogan name. Okay, then one more thing we can do is that we can add animation to the logo icon. So for us to add an animation, we can decide to click on zoom or paint or fade or this. So let's check a look at this, or better still fade. or something like this. Okay, so these are the way to add animation to the logo. Then you can simply click on here to play your logo and see how it look like. So take a look. Okay, good. Then we can also animate the company name. Just select on the company name, then we'll come to animation right here. So we can simply look on and see which one is going to be nice. I think this one is good. Okay, so we can simply play on everything right here. Okay, then we come back here, we play on this. So by the time we export everything, all this animation is going to be successfully exported into the logo. Then we can also work on the opacity of the logo. If you don't want the logo to be more visible, simply click on opacity right here. Then you work on an opacity. You can reduce the opacity of the logo as the case may be. So I think I love it this way. You can add border, of course, if you would like that. You can resize, then you can flip to horizontal or vertical. Okay, so you can just simply take it back. So horizontal and vertical, simple as that. So then you can also crop the logo. The crop tool is the last one in this particular section. Okay, right now I'm done with everything right here. Okay, so the next thing I can do here is to simply click on this check mark right here, just to export the logo. So I can either export this logo as JPEG or PNG or HD quality video. Okay,